Ubiquitous. It is an adjective, and its meaning is present, appearing, or found everywhere. Look at the example sentence. Wi-Fi is now ubiquitous in cafes, airports, and homes around the world. Ephemeral. It is an adjective, and its meaning is lasting for a very short time. Look at the example sentence. The beauty of the cherry blossoms is ephemeral. They bloom for only a few weeks each spring. Conundrum. It is a noun, and its meaning is a confusing and difficult problem or question. Look at the example sentence. Solving the conundrum of climate change requires cooperation on a global scale. Soporific. It is an adjective, and its meaning is tending to induce drowsiness or sleep. Look at the example sentence. The professor's monotone voice had a soporific effect on the students during the lecture. Quixotic. It is an adjective, and its meaning is exceedingly idealistic, unrealistic, and impractical. Look at the example sentence. His quixotic plan to eradicate poverty overnight lacked a feasible strategy. Eloquent. It is an adjective, and its meaning is fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Look at the example sentence. Martin Luther King Jr.'s speeches were known for their eloquent appeal for civil rights. Myriad. It is a noun, and its meaning is a countless or extremely great number. Look at the example sentence. The internet offers a myriad of resources for learning new skills. Pernicious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Look at the example sentence. The pernicious influence of social media can lead to low self-esteem and anxiety. Nefarious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is wicked or criminal. Look at the example sentence. The nefarious activities of the organized crime syndicate were finally exposed by undercover agents. Panacea. It is a noun, and its meaning is a solution or remedy for all difficulties or diseases. Look at the example sentence. There is no panacea for the world's economic problems, but sound policies can mitigate their impact. Euphoria. It is a noun, and its meaning is a feeling or state of intense excitement and happiness. Look at the example sentence. Winning the championship filled the team with euphoria, and they celebrated late into the night. Voracious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is having a very eager approach to an activity, typically consuming food hungrily or in large quantities. Look at the example sentence. The voracious reader finished the entire book series in just a few days. Paradox. It is a noun, and its meaning is a statement that seems to go against common sense but may still be true. Look at the example sentence. The paradox of social media is that it connects us globally while also isolating us from face-to-face interactions. Cacophony. It is a noun, and its meaning is a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Look at the example sentence. The cacophony of car horns and construction work made it difficult to concentrate in the city center. Mellifluous. It is an adjective, and its meaning is of a voice or words, sweet or musical, pleasant to hear. Look at the example sentence. The singer's mellifluous voice captivated the audience and brought tears to their eyes. Indolent. It is an adjective, and its meaning is wanting to avoid activity or exertion. Lazy. Look at the example sentence. After a long week of work, he enjoyed spending his Saturday in an indolent manner, lounging on the couch and watching movies. Quintessential. It is an adjective, and its meaning is representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. Look at the example sentence. The little black dress is often considered the quintessential item in a woman's wardrobe. Sycophant. It is a noun, and its meaning is a person who acts obsequiously towards someone important in order to gain advantage. Look at the example sentence. The CEO surrounded himself with sycophants who constantly praised his every decision. Labyrinth. It is noun, and its meaning is a complicated irregular network of passages or paths in which it is difficult to find one's way. A maze. Look at the example sentence. Navigating the bureaucratic labyrinth of government regulations can be challenging for small businesses. It is a verb, and its meaning is suppress a feeling, especially an unpleasant one. Look at the example sentence. The teacher quelled the students' anxiety about the upcoming exam by reassuring them of their preparedness. Taciturn. It is an adjective, and its meaning is reserved or uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Look at the example sentence. The taciturn man preferred to listen rather than engage in idle chatter at social gatherings. Lethargic. It is an adjective, and its meaning is lacking in energy or feeling sluggish or lazy. Look at the example sentence. After the long hike, they felt lethargic and spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing by the campfire. Alacrity. It is a noun, and its meaning is brisk and cheerful readiness. Look at the example sentence. She accepted the challenging task with alacrity, eager to prove her abilities. Ethereal. It is an adjective, and its meaning is extremely delicate and light in a way that seems too perfect for this world. Look at the example sentence. The ballerina moved across the stage with an ethereal grace that left the audience spellbound. Esoteric. It is an adjective, and its meaning is intended for or likely to be understood by only a small number of people with a specialized knowledge or interest. Look at the example sentence. The professor's lectures on quantum mechanics were so esoteric that only a few students could follow along. Ostentatious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is characterized by vulgar or pretentious display, designed to impress or attract notice. Look at the example sentence. The billionaire's ostentatious mansion featured gold-plated fixtures and marble floors. idyllic. It is an adjective, and its meaning is extremely happy, peaceful, or picturesque. Look at the example sentence. They spent a week in an idyllic cottage by the lake, enjoying the tranquility of nature. Vehement. It is an adjective, and its meaning is showing strong feeling, forceful, passionate, or intense. Look at the example sentence. The politician delivered a vehement speech, denouncing corruption in government. Aplomb. It is a noun, and its meaning is self-confidence or assurance, especially when in a demanding situation. Look at the example sentence. Despite facing tough questions from the panel, the job candidate answered with aplomb, showcasing her expertise. Indolent. It is an adjective, and its meaning is wanting to avoid activity or exertion, lazy. Look at the example sentence. Despite having deadlines, he remained indolent, preferring to lounge on the couch all day. Peruse. It is a verb, and its meaning is to read or examine with great care. Look at the example sentence. She perused the contract before signing it, making sure to understand all the terms. Capricious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is given to sudden and unaccountable changes of mood or behavior. Look at the example sentence. The weather in the mountains can be capricious, shifting from sunshine to snowfall in minutes. Ebullient. It is an adjective, and its meaning is cheerful and full of energy. Look at the example sentence. The ebullient child danced with joy upon receiving her birthday present. Enigmatic. It is an adjective, and its meaning is difficult to interpret or understand, mysterious. Look at the example sentence. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile has puzzled art historians for centuries. Taciturn. It is an adjective, and its meaning is or uncommunicative, reserved in speech, saying little. Look at the example sentence. The taciturn man preferred listening to others rather than engaging in conversation himself. Clandestine. It is an adjective, and its meaning is kept secret or done secretable or especially because illicit. Look at the example sentence. They held clandestine meetings late at night to plan their escape from the oppressive regime. Cacophony. It is a noun, and its meaning is a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Look at the example sentence. The cacophony of car horns and construction work made it difficult to concentrate. Juxtapose. It is a verb, and its meaning is to place or deal with close together for contrasting effect. Look at the example sentence. The artist juxtaposed light and dark colors to create a striking contrast in her painting. Resilient. It is an adjective, and its meaning is able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Look at the example sentence. Despite facing numerous setbacks, she remained resilient and continued to pursue her goals. Acrimonious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is angry and bitter in speech or behavior. Look at the example sentence. The meeting ended with an acrimonious exchange of words between the two rival CEOs. Auspicious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is conducive to success, favorable. Look at the example sentence. The sunny weather on the day of their wedding was seen as an auspicious sign for their marriage. Zealot. It is a noun, and its meaning is a person who is fanatical and uncompromising in pursuit of their religious, political, or other ideals. Look at the example sentence. The zealot refused to listen to any opposing viewpoints, firmly believing in his cause. Ineffable. It is an adjective, and its meaning is too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words. Look at the example sentence. The view from the mountaintop was so breathtakingly beautiful that it was ineffable. Obfuscate. It is a verb, and its meaning is to render obscure, unclear, or unintelligible. Look at the example sentence. The politician obfuscated the issue by providing contradictory explanations. Ambivalent. It is an adjective, and its meaning is having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Look at the example sentence. She felt ambivalent about accepting the job offer since it meant relocating to a new city away from her family. Incandescent. It is an adjective, and its meaning is emitting light as a result of being heated, passionate. Look at the example sentence. Her incandescent smile lit up the room and brought joy to everyone around her. Sanguine. It is an adjective, and its meaning is optimistic or positive, or especially in an apparently difficult situation. Look at the example sentence. Despite the challenges, she remained sanguine about the company's prospects for growth. Meticulous. It is an adjective, and its meaning is showing great attention to detail or very careful and precise. Look at the example sentence. The artist's meticulous brushstrokes brought the painting to life with stunning realism. Volatile. It is an adjective, and its meaning is that can change suddenly and unexpectedly. Look at the example sentence. The political situation in the region is volatile, with tensions escalating quickly. Vexatious. It is an adjective, and its meaning is causing annoyance, frustration, or worry. Look at the example sentence. The constant delays in the project were becoming increasingly vexatious for the team.